welcome to my vlog. So for today's video, we're going to sort out his toys and hid them para makastart ta uguan kanang for him to choose which toys he wants to play by using pictures and words. Kay at the moment, he does not know how to choose which one he wants. So pagkakaroon kuan niya tanan iyang kuan dulaan. So the aim of this tidying up, or the aim of this agenda right now, is for him to learn how to choose which one he wants to play every single day. So naasya kuan either mag-choose ka ng cars or learning puzzles or kuan blocks, Lego blocks, sa instrument kana ako nang pang picturean isa-isa kay para everyday makuan ako niya matagaan ako siya choices kung sa iyang dulaan. So yeah, let's go. This one, yeah, so I'm gonna choose that one, that one, that one, that one, that one. For other cars, he's either gonna choose this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. Other cars, and that one there. So he has so plenty to choose from. We're in there. So any cars that he wants to do. These toys will be put in here in the back, somewhere down there. Can you see in there? He's gonna be there. I don't know if you can see it. It's like a little, that's where I used to put my office work. So it's like a little shelves. So tomorrow we're gonna see all these toys. So either gonna choose either choose two cars and either one car, and then either the blocks, these blocks, or music toys, another blocks, this one. So para na siya kuan ba, para kabal na siya unsay piliun pagkakaroon isu kabalo kung sa iyang gusto. So that way i-train nato siyang mag-choose og kuan, either books, either toys, either cars, either blocks, nga na ba kay mama nag-ingon sa kuan. So tomorrow I'm gonna go, which one do you want, cars or blocks? And then next day this different thing. So and then with the cars I either choose choose two things, so either fire truck or garbage truck or etc. So and this is his table where we're gonna do learning, plus this one. So yeah, let's start. Put the light on, but yeah, we'll see. Yeah, maghakot-hakot na tikon. Okay na siya kaayo. Hindi takapito kung kuan light kay kuan. Ang light mo to siyang kwarto. So pagilom sa quiet. So quiet time to. Start this one. So, magpili siya kung asayahaw. Mag-fitness sila tanan. Learning things, so isa-isaw na ko ni sila ko ang gawas. So box tapos kani para ugma learning. So next din na po, choose either trucks or kani. So either these ones with the trucks, sumpay-sumpay man siya. Tapos kani. So duhay ang magpili. Ilang isa. Para pagkabalo si unsay trucks, unsay truck hook, unsay that. Tapos kani, gagmay nga mga truck. So isa-isa ko na ko ni sila. Kada everyday. So one small one, one big one, one medium one. Kaya pagkabalo siya unsay kuan ba, sizes. Ganun. Blocks kani, there's like small ones and there's like big ones. Ang bato sa tawagan ni bag, pero sa ko blocks man siya. Lego blocks, big Lego blocks or small Lego blocks. So either this one or this one. I'm not gonna hide this one because this one is good for counting, so I'll leave it to his table down there. Ano yung madaknan ugma yung mata niya, 10 minutes every day. Yung instrument, so either choose this one or this one. And then if you want to scribble, I can choose this one as well. Picturean pa nila ko sila tanan kay para pili-pili yung ana ba kaniba imong manusa o kanus isa. Ano kung plano karon. Useless na ni kay ang mga bulang nga ibuton mo nga wala na ambot as ang tuning panglabay. Wala kong agenda karon. Sorting out his toys. One pod. Kunan siya ka ng construction. This one. So construction or fire truck or garbage truck. Na siya kung kay mapili. Kung gusto nag-Mario, ipa-choose na ko sa iya. So yan, picturean pa ni sila tan para ma-print ba. Pakita rin yung picture. Refit. Okay. Helmet niya. Mauna yung ginadulot to sa hay. I decided to keep these big ones because I don't have anywhere else to put them. So yeah. So I'm all done now. Everything in there, the toys, the other toys. So I can use the pictures for him to choose which one he wants every day. Para makapayo ko na. Para makapili-pili siya. Kung asa yung dulaan. That way he will learn. And this one as well. It's also for learning. So yeah, this is like a busy books. Anyway, thank you for watching. Bili ng slides. Kana kay di pa na ako ibutang sa garden kay mabasa og ulan. So it was that one. So kung gusto niya itong blocks, ano yung madulaan. So ibili na natin ikaw mo kayo kabutang. So yeah, that's all for today guys. Thank you for watching. See you next vlog. Subscribe on my YouTube at JimAdeoye, and then follow and like on my Facebook account. Thank you. Mwah.